Welcome back to the channel. Have you ever struggled with exporting your Inkscape designs into a format that is universally compatible, like a JPG? Often we work in SVGs with layers and vectors, but when it comes time to share our work online, a JPEG is usually the way to go. Today, I am going to walk you through exactly how to save as a JPG in Inkscape while managing your quality, resolution, and specific export settings to ensure your output looks professional every single time. Before we dive into the technical steps, if this tutorial helps you get better results with your design workflow, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more expert tips. All right, let us get into the process. First, ensure your design is complete. Check your document properties by pressing Ctrl+Shift+D to confirm your canvas dimensions are exactly what you need. If you are not exporting the whole canvas, use the Selection tool, which is shortcut S, to click on the specific objects you want to save. Now, go to the menu and click File, then Export, or simply use the shortcut Ctrl+Shift+E. This opens the Export panel. Select the Single Image tab. You will see options for Document, Selection, or Drawing. Selecting Document exports everything within your page border, while selecting Selection only grabs what you highlighted earlier. Drawing exports every single object on your canvas. Next, look for the File Format dropdown, which usually defaults to PNG, and change it to JPEG. This is where you fine-tune your output. Set your DPI to 96 for screen viewing or 300 for high-quality printing. Adjust the quality slider. Keeping it around 90% is the perfect balance for crisp visuals without creating an unnecessarily large file size. Once set, click the folder icon to select your destination, name your file, and click the Final Export button. Now, there are a few golden rules you need to know. First, JPGs do not support transparency. If your background is clear, Inkscape will default it to white. To control the background color, simply place an opaque rectangle behind your layers. Also, remember that while you can use Save As, the export workflow is superior because it gives you control over your DPI and resolution. Lastly, please always keep an original Inkscape SVG backup file. Once you flatten your design into a JPG, those beautiful vectors and layers are gone forever, and you will not be able to edit them again. If you follow these steps, you will have perfectly exported files every time. If this video helped you master your export process, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.